students, hi! Today we will learn together something that is very easy and important. We will learn about how long. Let's start. How long is a question word that we use in order to ask about the period of time. How do we use how long in our writing or in our speaking? Let's start learning together. To form a question using how long, first of all, we should put the word how long at the beginning of the question. Then we put has if the subject is she, he, or it. I mean, if the subject is singular, you should put has after how long. And then we put been. How long has she been? And then we complete the question. In Palestine. Always remember to put a question mark at the end of the question. And now, how do we form the question with how long if the subject is plural, more than one person, or the subject is I? Let's see. We use how long at the beginning. Then we put have, of course, if we have you as a subject, or they, we, or I. So we say, how long have I felt sick? And the question mark. How long have they felt sick? How long have you felt sick? So, to summarize, in order to form a question using how long, remember to decide if you want to put has or have. And this depends on the subject of the question. If the subject of the question is she, he, or it, always remember to use has. If the subject of the question is you, they, we, or I, always remember to use have. And then we complete the question with the verb 3 or with the past participle of the verb and then the complement of the question. Dear students, always remember to put a question mark at the end of the question because we are asking here how long. This is a question. How long have you felt sick? The answer is, I have felt sick since yesterday. Notice that. Since yesterday shows us what? The period, the length of the time. Very good. Another question. How long has she been in Palestine? She has been in Palestine for 2 weeks. Again, notice that for 2 weeks shows us the long of the period or the length of the period. Now, let's remember when do we use since and when do we use for. We use since if we want to tell the one in front of us the start of the time, when the action starts. But we use for if we want to say the period of time, how long the action has been taking place. Example, yesterday, 5 o'clock, 2018, and last week, all these time phrases show us the start of the time. While 2 days, 5 hours, a week, they all show us the duration, the period. Very good. So we use since when we want to talk about when the action started or has started. We use for to talk about the period. For example, I have been waiting here since 5 o'clock. The action has started at 5 o'clock, but you don't know how long the action has been happening if you don't know the hour now. While I have been waiting for 5 hours. In this sentence, you don't know when the action has started, but you know the period. Let's answer the following questions together. How long have you had flu? You have to use the word yesterday. Okay, look at the answer. I have had flu since yesterday. Why? Because yesterday shows us when the action has started. So we use since. How long has Ben been tired? 5 o'clock. He has been tired since 5 o'clock. Let's look at this question. How long have the children been at the park? The answer is 2 hours. Can you give me the answer? Yes? Okay, let's try together. They have been at the park for 2 hours. Very good. The last question. How long has Huda been at this school? 2009. She has been at this school since 2009. Very good. Dear 6th grade students, thanks for watching. I hope that now you can use how long in writing questions or in your speaking. Thanks for watching. أعزائي طلبة الصف السادس، إذا رغبتم بمشاهدة هذا الموقف التعليمي لمرات عديدة، أرجو منكم زيارة الرابط أو الكود الذي يظهر في أسفل الشاشة. شكراً لكم.